Here's how to access Gale in Context Science to get all sorts of information on life sciences, biology, chemistry, and physics. Start from our website, www.wilbrahamlibrary.org. Hover over Research and Learning, and click on Gale Databases. From this long list of resources, we want to go down near the bottom to find the box that says Science, and click on that. In the search box on the left, start typing the topic that you're interested in. I'm going to look up genetics. Now, as I start typing, you can see that I'm getting some search suggestions for genetic engineering, genetic disorders, genetics, and genetically modified organisms, and genetica. Anything in bold type will have a topic overview page, while more specific searches, such as genetica here, do not, and will have fewer results than a more general topic. So if I click on genetica to search, you can see we do have some reference books, some news. It's mostly coming from academic journals. And then over here on the right, I can filter my results in different ways. I can do publication date if I want a particular date, or I can limit to full text and peer-reviewed journals. However, if we have a more general topic, such as genetics, we start now with a general overview of the topic, and then as we scroll down, there's a really rich list of results, including reference books, statistics, news, biographies, images, academic journals, experiments, videos, and more. As I scroll down, you can see there are 4 different experiments. There are biographies of people like James Watson or Gregor Mendel. There are some statistics, some images. These videos are from Khan Academy, An Introduction to Heredity. And then as I continue, there's also news and academic journals, magazines, websites. And then here at the very bottom, we've got more related topics such as bioethics, DNA, and genetic engineering. You may have noticed as I scrolled through the content, this little symbol with stars. You'll see some with 3 stars, with 4 stars, with 5 stars. And what that generally means is that the content and reading level, where there are 3 stars, is going to be useful for middle school, 4 stars for high school, and 5 for adult. Now, that's not to say that high schoolers wouldn't get something out of an article measured at level 3 or 5, but may find level 3 more on the simple side, and level 5 would be a little more complex. Now, if you're looking for a particular type of content, towards the top again in this gray bar, we see that we can actually click on each of these if we wanted to limit to just experiments or simulations. So here, for example, are 19 simulations that can be run to illustrate genetic principles. So if I were to look at this color of a pea plant flower, which may sound familiar if you've taken high school biology, I can then just scroll down here, see a little bit of information about what the simulation is doing. And if I click on Open Activity, it'll give me this nice little box here. And now I can simulate pollinating several different generations and see how the dominant and recessive traits go down with each generation. So that's just an introduction to some of the great content available through Gale in Context Science. Try it out and let us know in the comments if you find any information or tips and tricks as you research. And if you have any questions, please email us at reference@wilbrahamlibrary.org.